when we use for each loop. So for each will be used when we want to iterate arrays or elements of an array or collections. Okay. Collections topic will be a separate one. It's a big topic, so we'll discuss about collections later in later classes. So here, if you want to use for each, it should be an array of elements. So only when there is an array, then we go for each. So if you want to iterate array of elements, okay, suppose I have an array int array is equal to, can I declare like this, right? A single statement. So if I want to iterate and print these numbers 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I want to print this one, I can go for an array instead of for. Even with for we can do it, but for each is simple when compared to for. Okay, so we'll see two programs with for each and for the same program for the same array to print. Okay, so before we go for the program, we need to discuss about the syntax. What is the syntax of an array? Syntax of for each. So for
Condition.
sorry,
Condition is
data type, item, array. Okay, it will be here statements. Okay, this is the for each data for each loop syntax. Okay, this also will call it as enhanced for loop. Enhanced for loop. We'll call it as enhanced for each. We'll also call it as enhanced for loop. Okay. So this is the syntax for each. So now we'll try to write a program. So what is an array here? Here we discuss, we have three times three, right? Array. So array is this one. So whatever the array that we are declaring with a variable, that will be keeping it here. So this suppose I'll keep num. So then I'm gonna keep num we need to pass here. We need to pass num here. Okay. An array or a collection. This one is an array or collection. Okay. Next, item. What is an item here? So we need to iterate, right? So to iterate, we are gonna use one word that we'll call it as an item here. So each item of array means 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That will be stored in item. Okay. Whenever it loops, each time one value will be stored. Each loop it will be stored one value in the item. Okay. Are you getting? Data type. What is data type? What is data type? What is data type?
integer.
Long, short.
Yeah. Yeah.
Integer.
So those are the data types. So data types for the collection. Data types of the array or collection. So here, if you want to declare this, how you are going to declare? If I want to declare this here, how you are gonna use these three parameters in for what is the data type here? What is the data type in this example?
Integer.
Integer, right? So if I want to write a program, it's simple. In for each loop, data type is int. What is the item? Item, we can keep item or we can give any number. So I'll say number because it is an integer value, right? I'm giving number. And what is the array here? What is the array reference value? What is the array reference value here? Num is the reference, right? We are declaring an array with variable num, right? So here I'm keeping num. Okay. So statements I'm printing system.out.println out.println number. Okay, that's it. It will loop and it will print all the numbers present in an array num. So output will be 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. 1, 4, 6, 7, 8. This will be the output for this program. Have you understood?
Yes.
Yeah. So can I write this program? Can I write this program and print it? So I'm gonna write my program. Please, you people start writing the program for each loop. So new Java class for each public static void main string args open close bracket, then declare an array. So I'm declaring an array numbers is equal to 4, 5, 8, 10, 23, 25. So I declared an array. Okay, I declared an array. Then I need to write for right for what is the data type? Int. What we can give any name. So I'm giving num here. And what is an array? Numbers. So then open the curly brackets. Then print system.sout. Just if you click s out, if you type s out, it will come automatically. So numbers are numbers in an array are what should I keep? Plus num. So this has to print the numbers 4, 5, 8, 10, 23, 25. The number in an array are 4, 5, 8, 10, 23, 25. So this item name can be given anything. Okay, the name of the item set can be given anything. That should be meaningful. So that's it. Just you need to make sure that the name that you are giving should be meaningful, so that whenever someone sees your program, they should be able to understand. Okay. Now, can you write the same program using for? Can you write the same program using for? Have you completed this program?